In this video, I will show you how you can take burst photos on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do that, just open the camera app, and from here, just go to the photo mode, and under the photo mode, just swipe the shutter button to the left side. And as you do that, you'll start capturing burst photos. Now if you swipe the shutter to the right side, you'll start recording a video. So just make sure you swipe the shutter to the left side and make sure you do not press and hold on the shutter button because you will start recording a video. Just quickly swipe the shutter to the left side, just like that. Now, if you go to your home screen and if you open the Photos app, you will find the burst photos which we have captured. As you can see at the top of the photo, you will find the option for burst. Now, if you tap on the burst option, you will find all the photos which we have captured. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.